Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to Inger's Pink World. So, we are continuing with this wedding series, you guys, and this is the cutest thing: wedding food trucks. This is actually my first time ever seeing this, but I thought it was absolutely adorable. You can feed your guests from a food truck at your wedding reception. I think it's the cutest thing ever, and it's definitely something different and thinking outside of the box. Enjoy the video. Continue in this wedding series until September, you guys. Talk to you soon.